By today.
Farmers are taking rest after harvesting the soybean at after
They are talking. It is a break. They are talking among themselves that they have to complete it today like this. The rain may come, so that we have to complete it by today, and it has to be consolidated. You can see how the farmer is making banvi. It is called banvi in Kannada. Upon this, the soybean has to be arranged so that it will look like a triangle. I will show you later. The struggle the farmers are taking.